Emma, what are you doing? You fluffy beard. Fluffy beard, Emma. Emma's so cute. Emma. Nitro. Budgie. Hi, Emma. Emma. She's right here. She's so cute. Beautiful Whitey. All right, goodbye, everybody. Hey, Nitro. Nitro, stop it! Look at his little chin. Hey. What are you... Boop. Boop. Okay, it's time for Budgie madness to occur. Let me close out my door so Budgies don't fly out into the hallway and into the rest of the house. Dun 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 dun! You guys want to come out? Whitey can't come out. She broke so many of her wing feathers, and she only had 2 left, so I clipped the last 2. There's a budgie on my head. Emma. Budgies. Whoa. And Nitro. Oh no. Ow! He landed on my face. I gotta rescue that budgie. Okay, the one that fell was Emma. I have since saved her. Yes, Emma, you've been rescued from the window. Oh! they fight over my hand. Poor Whitey. Come on, Whitey. She knows she can't fly. Come on out. Up. Good girl. Come on, Whitey. Come on out. Time to play. There. Now she's loose. And I can't leave them. I can't leave them out if I'm doing something on the computer, or even just leave them alone, because they have a bad habit of landing on my computer chair, and they land here, and on the pillow, and on the head, and they'll start chewing on all the seams, which is just the worst thing that they could possibly do. I don't need them ripping this, so when I'm not in here I have to cover this with a towel. Whitey just fell down. I got her. She's so whitey. Good girl. Good girl, Whitey. Yes, good girl. See her little lace wing patterns on her shoulder? Hey, no bite! You're mean! It doesn't hurt, but I like to pretend that it does so they think that they're doing something. But anyways, right here, she's so mean. She has a few lace patterns you can see just barely, and a dirty spot. She got dirty. And she's looking at Minion. Minion is jealous. Hi, Minion! But I shouldn't let Minion out at the same time as the teenagers, because they'll attack him. So everybody gets different play times. Okay, so I'm gonna let him play a little bit. That is the Budgie playtime. Hi, Emma. Come here. Love you, Emma. And she preens my hand. Alrighty. Just signing off.